Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Z2 Travel CPAP from Breas. The Z2 Travel CPAP is an ultra-light, ultra-compact, full-featured auto-CPAP machine perfect for travel and at-home use. Let's go over what's included. First, you have the Z2 CPAP itself. Then you have the accessory box. In the accessory box, you have the AC power adapter, the AC power cord, a USB-A to micro USB cable, an 8-inch slim tubing with the Q-Lite CPAP muffler, your HME, CPAP tubing connector, your 6-foot slim style tubing, your filter, your accessory guide, your user guide, and your quick start guide. That's everything that comes with your Z2 Travel CPAP machine. Be sure to like, subscribe, and follow along for more.